Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel all in all. Um this is we are going to be looking at making our UI a little bit responsive, but before we do that, I just want to do something straight up before we will come back to this. um let's uh let's create an in-game UI. Okay, so I'm gonna delete all this. Let's call this in-game UI. This is going to contain our score, our retry everything, coins that we have gotten so far, and the rest of them. So let's get it out. Okay, I'm gonna call this score. Of course, name this to score. And then I'm gonna duplicate this, and then I'm gonna call this I think it's a little bit much there. Is it? Maybe let me take it to the other side. Oh no, rather no, it will be here. So it looks okay to me right now. Yeah, it does look okay. Okay, let's duplicate this and then bring it somewhere here, and this one is going to be the text like this. Okay, yeah, perfect. So this is going to be the score test. Let's give it some numbers. This is going to be the coin test. Let's give it some number 2. Okay, that's it, I think. You can go ahead and try to make it look as beautiful as you want it, but I'm just gonna do just now. This is going to be coin. So yeah, that's it. Also, you can have your anchor. Don't forget that.
Like that. Okay, do that again.
Voila, we're done. So this is the in-game panel. So we're gonna be writing some games to control that very soon, but before that, also let's see this gameOver panel. Maybe we should be making some provisions for to display the score after the winner has after the player has already game over. So yep, let's duplicate this. That's too, is it too big? It's too big. Let me use this. Let me use all this instead. You know? Okay. Let's change the color to maybe green. White. I just leave that white. I just leave that white. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Why am I having two scores? It's supposed to be coins. Crying out loud. Okay. The same thing here. I have to correct that. Sorry. So that's it. That's perfectly okay. We can say we can make it look more like let's extend this a little bit, and then let's say the two skull, and then the two coins. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's create another UI a small panel. Okay, this is going to be a sort of game over. So let's game over. Sorry, I mean high score. So it's going to contain a text. What did I do? It's going to contain a text. So the text is going to be, yeah, you probably got it by now. And then let's change the font to green. Green is okay. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna just take it right back there. So that's how it's gonna look. Let's align this to the centers. Okay, that's basically that's all right. That's all. Okay, yeah. Let's have a high score test also. So let me duplicate these two, and then let's get something like this here. Okay, let's call this high score. So let's call this highest score, or whatever you want to call it. This is going to be my still that. So this is going to house the highest score so far. This is going this will show you the current score for that particular run, and here you're going to see your highest score reached so far. Wow. So let's get this working. So first of all, you're going to go back to our GUI manager scripts. So we'll be needing some variables right now. We'll be needing I like making it private, so let me just copy this down so to save time. Test. Before you use this, you have to have Unity engine.ui here. So text and score test. That should be the first one, and we'll need another one, high score test. Of course, I'm trying to make it as simple as it is, so you will be getting it. And then we have the game over coins. Yeah, but is it game over coins? Yeah, we have the game over coins. And we should have the in-game coins. So in-game coins, game over coins, game over coins text. Let's use text there. Text. So and then we need the so well, let me just put these two together. So the score test and the in-game coin test are there. This is the high score. Then we're going to need another game over score test. Yeah. So that's the 4 things we need before text with them. We need a private integer, we need the score, and we need coins. That's right. Or rather, let me say in-game coins. Yeah, so this is where once we take any coins or we pick any coin, it goes here. It goes directly to here. Okay. So in the start function, I'm going our score is going to be equal to 0. Our in-game coins is equal to 0 as well. And then our score text. Our score text is equal to score dot to string. Okay. Also, we're gonna do that for our high score. We're gonna do that for our coins too, but for our coins, we're gonna make it a method. So when you come here and say public void update coins, why I decided to make this a method is because I'm going to be handling our coins picked in our character controller character motor here. So right here, that's where the magic is gonna happen. So we need a way to access the coins, so that's why I'm making it public and making it as a method here. So once we pick coin here, all we just have to do is something like this. We do GUI manager dot instant dot update coins. That's here. That's exactly when we pick coins. We say GUI manager dot instance dot in game coin plus equals to 1. Yeah, I see in-game coin bar, right? Yeah, in-game, okay, with S. That, and then we update it, so that's why I need the function there. So but since you are there already, I decided to do everything once. So then we'll do the same for our in-game coins. In-game coins text. In-game coins text. Is equals to in-game coins dot string. So, and then the fourth one is for our high score. So you're going to say high score text dot text. So right here now I'm going to be doing this directory. So I'm going to be using player pref. Player pref, if you don't know what player pref is used to save data, but we are going to be only using player pref to save our high score, not other data or coins, okay? Because it's very easy to save. And but one thing about player pref is when you use to save maybe something like coins, money, cash, it can easily be altered. It's just written in a simple XML file. Okay, we get into it. High score. This high score here is predefined unity. It comes with the player pref to save high score. So that's how it's written. So the string. That's it. So in the update method, of course, we need the update method. We'll need to update our score. We need something like a timer. So let's say timer. Of course, we don't have the variable yet, but we'll create it. So time dot delta time. You now say if timer is greater than 0, you now say score plus equals to 1, and then you say score text dot text is equals to let me just get this here instead of, because I'm really tired of typing. Then you say timer is equals to 0. So you reset it each time this line, this block code runs finish. You set the timer to 0, and then boom, timer plus equals to time data time continues again. Once it's greater than, so this should be 1. Once it's greater than 1, sorry, not 0, we add another to our score. We might want to have something like a score multiplier. So it's going to multiply our scores. So we're just plus 1 score multiplier. That is increase our score depending on how many the number of integer multiplier you put there. So that is for the update method. Now in the gameOver method, after setting the gameOver panel true, you now say gameOver coin test dot test is equals to coins dot to string. Now gameOver score test dot test is equals to score dot to string. Then we'll now say and if Okay, we need to set our in-game panel to true. So when we say before anything happens, we need to set in-game panel true. Oh, sorry, false. In-game panel is the one, this panel here, right here. This panel that has the score and coin, so we don't want it displaying after the game is over, so that's why I set it to false. So we're going to go and create a game object for that, I believe. Yes, game objects in game panel. Oh yeah, I would have just copied this. Don't like my editor being crowded. So you set the in-game panel to false, and then gameover is true, and then you set the gameover panel to true. So that's it. Now after updating the score, you now say if score is greater than prayer prefs dot get int. High score, if it's greater than this, so what you're gonna do is you say let's create a temporary variable and assign it to score, our score. Then you now say if our s, when divided by 1, is equals to 0, then means our have a new high score, and we say prayer prefs dot set int high score, and then we'll say score. Our score here is here's our score. Yeah, okay, it's an integer, so you don't have any problem running. Then once you have done that, you might want to set your high score panel. Yeah, I've not forgotten that. High score panel the set active true. So the high score panel is this one. Where is it? This. So for it to work, you have to set it to false on default. Let's say the name timer doesn't. Wow, I didn't create that variable again. So we're gonna need a timer. So let's give it a public float timer, or private, sorry. I'm supposed to create that, but I didn't put it again there. Well, it's no problem. Coins wasn't. Oh god, I keep using coins. Sorry guys. This is supposed to be in game coins. I keep using that all the time. I keep using the coins. I might have already just changed it to coins. Well, in-game coins does not use it. What? Oh, cap2.c. Well, it's good with all the errors we are getting, so that's how you learn, that's how you improve your game development skill. High score panel does not exist. Of course, silly me. It doesn't exist because we have never declared the variable. So seriously, if you give me any more errors now, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. So now let's start filling this in. Now when we talk about this is game over panel. Now our game over panel should be this as a whole. Then in-game panel, our in-game panel should be this as a whole. Then we'll talk about high score panel, the one we set active to false on default. Then we'll say score test. Okay, that should be for the in-game because it doesn't have any game over attached to it, so it should be in the in-game panel, the score test here. So this should be this, and then in-game coins test, so this should be that too. High score test, it should be this, right? Yeah, I don't want to fill in the wrong text so you don't get to mess things up. Game over coins, that should be this. Game over text, that should be game over text, that should be that. Game over score test. Okay, let's put the multiplier to 1 or 2. For now, only our score is supposed to be working, if I'm not mistaken. Now let's watch our score. Okay, what is it doing here? Okay, let's remove this and then let's try again. You see our score increasing there. You can see 10, 12 because you put it to 2, so it's increasing by 2, 20. But our coins isn't moving. Don't worry, let's swap it out. So that means our coins is perfectly moving. Well, let's try and crash. Let's see what happens when we crash first. Woohoo! Yeah, I like this jumping. Wow, high score is not. It says high score here, but let's try again. Something is wrong that our high score is not displaying, but we'll sort it out. 10. You see it? High score 14, and then total score 10, and then we doesn't get the high score here. So everything about our high score is settled. So let's work on the coin. So let me use a cylinder capsule. Cylinder will be fine. Okay. Let's bring it like this. Okay. I'm not really gonna waste. See, I got a texture, coin texture. I'm gonna use just that. Okay. It's not really that beautiful, but I know. I think yes, like this is okay. Let's reduce the width. Okay, exactly what I want. Now you can spend as much time as you want doing this, but I'm not gonna really spend that much time with it. I'm just gonna duplicate a few times there, maybe. just to show what we did was working. So just that. So let me click the play button and then let's see what we got. Oh, silly me, nothing is gonna happen because we need to check the is trigger, and we are going to target. Let's target coins. Oh, I definitely forgot that. So coins. Now go back to your scripts, the character motor where it says coin. It's going to be coins now. So we add the coins and then we update that. So let's see. Say in-game coins inaccessible. Why? Okay, we made it public. In-game coin. Where is this? Yeah, there is this. Don't worry. I'll just make everything public so everybody can rest. Yep. So I should be able to access that now. Okay. Wait. Okay. These are tags very well. Coins. I can't seem to figure out. Okay, it's working. Non-trigger enter. Yeah, definitely. So we need to destroy the game object as it's being picked up. So we say order dot game object dot set active false. So but we're not gonna do it just now. We're gonna do it after it has picked up. And okay, let's just do it there. Let's just put it there. It will set active, but no. After it has updated, let's set it active to false. Okay, we are gradually coming to the end of this episode. It's been a long one, but we definitely should achieve a lot of things. Okay, now here it is. Okay, it's not updating. I don't know why, but it's telling me here that is 6. You see that, right? Okay, I think the problem is here, these update coins. Oh god, no. I think this is where the problem is. So in-game context dot text is equal to in-game coins dot to string. That was very bad of me to make that mistake. I was calling an empty function. So everything is supposed to work normal. I'm perfect now. Okay, you see that? Let's pick out the coins and crash. Oh yeah, total coin 6, high score 14, highest score 14. So thank you guys. It has been a wonderful and a very enjoyable episode. So see you guys in the next episode. Thank you.